Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand how to fix Yoto chart not playing. Before starting the video, let's see why is my Yoto chart not playing. Yoto chart inserted directly, content still downloading, chart not signed up in the app, and Yoto player not connected to Wi-Fi. Old chart or player firmware, add or device glitch. Let's see the step-by-step guidance for resolve this glitch or issue. Step 1. Check the chart. Insert the chart the right way. Push it gently until it's clear. Then try and remove it and reinsert in the chart. Next we have chat player and volume. Make sure your Yoto player is turned on. Check the volume. It might be slow or on Bluetooth. Step 3. Wait for content to download. If the chart is new, content may still be downloading. Keep the player connected to Wi-Fi and wait. Chat app setup. Open the Yoto app, go to My Charts and make sure the chart is shown and set up correctly. Step 5. Chat Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your Yoto player is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Update player and app. Open the Yoto app and chat for updates. Go to the settings, simply click on device and select chat for update. Next we have restart player. Try a different chart to see if the issue is with the chart. If often chart work, the first chart may be arranged. Step 9. Contact Yoto support. If nothing works, the above step contact Yoto support via the app or yoto.com/support. They will be happy to help. You can also check the quick checklist, common issue and fix, extra tip and still not working for additional information, future reference and helpful guidance. You can simply go to their official website for more customer support and help. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.